Hi, my name is Zach Hawkins, and this is my presentation about Sustainable Development Goal 11 and how it applies to Japan. What is SDG 11? SDG 11 stands for Sustainable Cities and Communities. This goal focuses on making cities more inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable as urban populations continue to grow. Key focus areas include improving public transportation systems, expanding access to affordable housing, reducing urban pollution, strengthening disaster preparedness, and promoting smart city innovation. As more people move into cities, infrastructure demands increase, which makes sustainable urban planning extremely important. Okay, now looking first at the United States, about 82.7% of the population lived in urban areas as of 2020, while 17.3% lived in rural areas. Urban population growth has steadily increased since 1960, while the rural population percentages have declined. However, only 6.9% of the U.S. population lives in its largest city. This shows that while the country is highly urbanized, the population is spread across multiple metropolitan areas rather than concentrated in one location. This creates sustainability challenges related to transportation systems, infrastructure, and environmental impact across large geographic regions. Okay, next up is the Japan data. Japan's urbanization level is even higher. As of 2020, 91.8% of Japan's population lived in urban areas, while only 8.2% lived in rural regions. Urban growth has increased rapidly since 1960, while rural populations have sharply declined. Additionally, 32.4% of Japan's population lives in its largest city, showing a much higher population concentration than the United States had. This level of centralization increases pressure on housing, transportation systems, infrastructure, and disaster preparedness within major cities. Okay, next up is the Global Information Technology Solutions. To address urban sustainability challenges, global information technology plays a major role in how cities operate and grow. One major area is smart transportation. AI-powered traffic systems can analyze traffic patterns in real time, adjust signals, and reduce congestion. Rail systems can also use predictive analytics to improve scheduling and efficiency, which is especially important in densely populated cities like Tokyo. Another area is smart infrastructure. Internet of Things sensors can be built into roads, bridges, and buildings to monitor structural health, energy usage, and maintenance needs. This allows cities to detect problems early and reduce long-term repair costs. Pollution monitoring is also important. Smart air quality sensors placed throughout cities can track emissions and pollution levels in real time, helping governments respond faster and create environmental policies. Disaster technology is critical in Japan due to earthquake risk. Early warning systems use seismic sensors and communication networks to alert citizens seconds before shaking begins, giving people time to take cover. Finally, urban planning technology uses AI and population data to help city planners design more efficient housing, transportation routes, and public services as populations continue to grow. Okay, next up is my proposed SDG 11 solutions for Japan. Based on Japan's urban data, several targeted solutions can be proposed. Urban overcrowding could be addressed through vertical smart housing developments that maximize limited land space. Transit congestion could be reduced using AI traffic management systems and smarter rail scheduling. Given Japan's disaster risk, expanding Internet of Things early warning networks would improve emergency response times. Aging infrastructure could be monitored through smart structural sensors. To meet sustainability goals, net zero smart districts could reduce emissions and energy consumption. And then finally, real-time air quality monitoring systems could help cities track and reduce pollution levels more efficiently. And then this is just my works cited. Thank you.